I always say freelancing is a great way to making money online, especially ever since the COVID pandemic. Lots of hidden talent making its way on the World Wide Web, making their earning completely digital. Freelancing can be a great way to earn income, offering several advantages and opportunities. So, here are the reasons why freelancing often considered a favorable options when it comes to earning online. The first thing is flexibility and independence. Freelancers have the freedom to set their own schedules, choose their clients and projects, and work from anywhere. This flexibility allows individuals to balance work with personal commitments and enjoy a greater sense of control over their professional lives. The second, diverse income potential. Freelancing provides the opportunity to work with multiple clients simultaneously, which can lead to a more diverse income stream. By offering services in different niches or industries, freelancers can tap into various revenues sources and reduce dependence on a single employer. And number three, skill development and specialization. Now, this is the important one. Since freelancers have the flexibility to choose the type of work they can focus on, enables them to specialize in areas they enjoy and excel in. This specialization can lead to higher rates, increased demand, and the ability to position oneself as an expert in a specific. Number four, higher earning potential. Freelancers often have the potential to earn more compared to traditional employment. By setting their own rates, negotiating contracts, and building a strong reputation, freelancers can command higher fees for their services. Additionally, as freelancers gain experience and, of course, expertise, they can increase their rates accordingly. Now, this is the one I feel it is important as well, that they get to expand their professional network. Since they're working as a freelancer, it allows these individuals to connect and collaborate with a diverse range of clients, industry professionals, and fellow freelancers. Building a strong network can lead to referrals, partnerships, and new business opportunities. Entrepreneurial experience is at number 6. Freelancing offers a taste of entrepreneurship without the full-scale commitment of starting a business. Freelancers learn valuable skills such as client management, marketing, budgeting, and project management, which can be transferable to future ventures. Out of them, there's one more thing that freelancers do is called copywriting, which is a highly sought after freelance niche and can be a lucrative field for skilled and talented writers. Copywriting is the practice of writing persuasive and compelling content with the aim of promoting a product, a service, or, of course, an idea. It involves crafting written material that grabs attention. It communicates a message effectively and ultimately motivates the reader or the viewer to take a desired action, such as making a purchase, subscribing to a newsletter, or engaging with the brand. Now, copywriters are usually skilled in using language strategically to influence and persuade the target audience. They often work in advertising, marketing, or digital media industries, creating content for various mediums such as websites, advertisements, social media campaigns, email marketing, sales letters, brochures, and more. The primary goal of copywriting is to engage the reader or viewer, create an emotional connection, highlight the benefits or unique selling points of a product or service, and ultimately drive conversations. This is achieved by using persuasive language, storytelling techniques, compelling headlines, call to action, and understanding the target audience's needs, desires, and pain. Here are some reasons why copywriting can be a good freelance niche. There is a demand for copywriters. In today's digital age, businesses require compelling and persuasive content to attract and engage their target audience. With your effective copywriting skills, it is essential for marketing campaigns, website content, social media posts, advertisements, email marketing, and more. As a result, there is a consistent demand for skilled copywriters who can create compelling written material. Lucrative rates. Copywriters often command higher rates compared to the other freelancers who write in the writing niche due to the specialized skills required. Experienced copywriters who can craft persuasive and highly converting copy are highly valued by the businesses and are willing to pay a premium for their service. As you build a reputation and a portfolio, you can increase your rates accordingly. Diverse client base. That is the most amazing thing about the copywriting, that the need for copywriters spans across various industries and sectors. This provides these freelancers with the opportunity to work with a diverse range of clients, from small businesses to large corporations. This diversity allows copywriters to gain exposure to different industries, broaden their skill set, and develop a versatile portfolio. We've discussed this previously, so I'm going to say this again, that it involves skill development and growth as well. Because copywriting requires honing special skills such as understanding consumer psychology, crafting persuasive messaging, and adapting writing styles to different mediums and target audiences. Freelancers specializing in copywriting have the opportunity to continuously develop their skills and stay updated with the industry trends. And again, this is the important thing. That's what I enjoy being a freelancer, being a video editor, that remote opportunity exists for who? The copywriters as well, since copywriting is a flexible freelance niche that can be done remotely. As long as you have a reliable internet connection and the necessary tools, you can work with clients from anywhere around the globe, in the world. This flexibility allows for a better work-life balance and, of course, the ability to take on clients from different geographic locations. Copywriting market can be competitive and may take time to establish yourself as a reputable and in-demand copywriter, but by building a strong portfolio, continuously improving your skills, and remember to actively market your services, these are the essential steps to succeed in this niche. Copywriting is an evolving field, and keeping up with industry trends, changes in consumer behavior, and of course, emerging digital platform is crucial to stay relevant and competitive as a freelance copywriter. So make sure to be continuously learning and adapting to new technologies, and writing techniques will contribute to your success, of course, in this niche. So I would say this for you, that success in freelancers often requires a combination of skills, dedication, effective marketing, building a strong reputation. So I would advise you to start freelancing while maintaining a stable income source initially, and then gradually transitioning to a full-time freelancing once you have built a solid client base and established sustainable income stream. It's important to note that freelancing also comes with challenges such as irregular income, the need for self-discipline, self-motivation, which is one of the most important ones, client acquisitions, and handling administrative tasks. Freelancers must be proactive, adaptable, and continually invest in their professional development to achieve in a competitive marketplace.